Dude, it's hot. Hey. Oh my god! Yeah, move it! Oh, yeah, we got designated parking. Let's go find it. Oh. Woo! Oh my god! It's dead. Oh boy, here we go. What does it do? No, oh, nothing even comes on. We could go on that side road. That'd probably be the best. I'm gonna go park my bike over there. Okay, okay. Hop on it, and I'll get behind you and I'll push you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, it's on wheels, bro. We'll be chilling. Get it up in the road. Okay. Yeah, move it. Oh, yeah, no way, man. We're too good for real. Yeah, that actually wasn't that hard. Where are we going? I'll just lead. We'll figure it out. We'll just go straight here. Yeah. Dude, there's more, bro. I'm going in neutral. I ain't doing this. Dude, they actually don't stop. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, we have to go here. Yeah, the silver. Oh yeah, we did that. We did that. Let's just go on the highway for now. That thing is so loud, bro. You have no idea. Being behind it is way different than being on it. I should have been third gear. I was in fifth. She passed us on the left and we just smoked her. Now she passed us again. You're so annoying, You're so annoying, bro. Your bucket, get out of my ear, bro. It's so loud, dude, you have no idea, bro. It's just screaming at me. You're good. Like, on this road, what gear are you in? Yeah. You're in second? Yeah, what is this guy doing? Is it? Oh, he turned. Okay, I see. This is way more hectic with two people. I feel like I gotta, like, look after somebody. I'm constantly saying like, oh, no way, bro. That's Hope and Bradley Berry. Oh, well, that's her Civic and that's his 370. It's a Nismo. Dude, it's hot. Hey. Oh my god! Oh, she's a Yo, they're going fast. They're going 50 and they're 35. I wish you could hear it, dude. It's so crazy. I don't want to ride that death trap, or I would. I said I don't want to ride that death trap, or I would for you. I keep like looking to make sure you're not trying to pass me in a turn. I wish I could put your voice in the video. That'd be cool. But I don't think you can. You can, but you have to get like some kind of adapter that plugs into this mic so that it can pick up from the actual unit. It's so weird. So turn left right here. Oh, okay, they're in the turn lane. Yeah, we're just like following these people, bro. What is this, bro? Oh, nah. What is going on? Bruh. This is... Careful, watch that. You see that freaking thing in the road? Oh my god, there's so much gravel. Please see me, please see me. Thank you. Oh, brother. Are you serious? Jesus Christ. I know, dude. I know. Bro, there's another one. Oh my god, there's another one coming up. It says bump. I see it. I don't see a bump. Oh, now I see it. Oh my god, dude. Bro, we ain't coming back this way, I can tell you that. Oh my god, dude. Dude, I'm getting freaking cooked, bro. Can you see me bouncing around? Take a right at B-dubs. We're gonna go by the convo, you know? Bro, she want me, bro. I see her looking in the mirror. You don't know? Do you know where we are? Oh crap. Can you hear me? Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, we stopping. Woo! Oh, my freaking... My fan's on. Oh yeah, 212. We're gonna make a right. Oh shoot, we're in the wrong lane. I forgot where I was going. Quit barking at me, buddy. It does sound like barking. But remember when I sold out like 100 times right here? But I still don't know what happened. Yeah, oh, that was it? Go that way. Go that way. Yeah, yeah. No, not that bad, not that bad. That's worse than mine. Maybe yours is just worse than mine, though. Yo, this guy is going so slow. Yo, she does not know how a roundabout works. I don't know. Yeah, we'll go here and then we'll go to like East State or something. Was that it? Wow, that's crazy. That's insane, dude. That sucks. I was about to give it a beans too. Yo, go left. Oh, dude, that was close. Man, you like can't even push that bike, bro. Like you can, but you're just gonna like get, yeah. Gotta throw some fingers up at the brothers. Yeah, I know, I noticed. Alright, let's just go to Walmart. We can find something in there. The brothers gave me a rev. A rev. Hey, we got designated, yeah, we got designated parking. Let's go find it. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, that was close. If you, yeah, if he wasn't paying attention, or if you weren't paying attention, you probably would have hit him. Come on. Bro. There we go. Look at that. Yo, it's so freaking quiet without the bikes on. Oh no, bro. Oh no. Bro, we got a hill. You could probably do it yourself. Do you want me to still help anyway? So we don't get a fail at attempt and then have to come back? Looks like we're good. Yeah, there's no one coming, so. Yeah, that was pretty good. That was way easier than the other one. Also, I figured out whenever I tap my brake light, it like flashes. Like, look, ready? Boop. You see that? So now instead of me spamming it, all I have to do is press it one time. Yeah, dude, it's nice. Oh, that's good. Oh my god, it's hanging off. Like it's hanging, like bad. Oh my god, it's just ringing in my helmet, bro. Can you really? Go straight, stay in the right lane and go straight under the bridge. 535. Oh, FRS, baby. Those are sick, man. Yeah, they're slow, but they're cool. Yeah, look how much room this guy's leaving us. I love this guy. What a good boy. Yeah. I knew that was coming. Yeah, I know. I was expecting a wave ball.